People are attracted with your super presentation of thumbnail. If your thumbnail is super attractive, then visitors are attracted to your videos. Today's video I'm gonna show you the way you can make cinematic thumbnail, super display of texting alignment, exclusive color coverage. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. So we are going to now practical session. At first we have to write down remove.bg in the address bar of Google. Here we have to upload a picture. The picture we want to remove the background. Now select the picture of a Hollywood singer, Charlie Puth. The picture is uploading. Now you see a picture comes without its background. Now we have to download that picture. Finally got the picture without a background. In the same way we will have to remove the background of other pictures of Hollywood singers. Now we'll have to go to Pixel Lab. Once we go to the Pixel Lab, we have to delete the selected object. And we'll have to go to arrow mention tab. Once we click this tab, we will see another tab named From Gallery. From Gallery, we will have to select the specific picture which we want to use as thumbnail. Now we'll have to click another tab named Import. We'll import a PNG file. We set the PNG file onto the selected thumbnail. There is also the opportunity to change the color, and we'll adjust the color, what the color we want to use. We have selected green color. For making it deep color, we can copy this PNG file onto the thumbnail. Once the thumbnail is covered with green color with this PNG file, save this thumbnail in our gallery. Now we'll go to another app, PicsArt. We'll press plus icon. We will bring out some effects from the removed background. Now click onto the effect tab. Select magic tab. There is a lot of options, whatever you choose.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
I'm also doing the same for other pictures. All of these pictures on which I have given the special effect, I'll have to save onto my gallery. Now I again go to the PicsArt with plus icon. Now I'll have to select whatever picture I have saved from Pixel Lab. Now I'll have to add photo. The pictures I saved with effect seconds ago. I'll have to select all of these three pictures onto my selected thumbnail. Once the positioning is over, now I will add some text onto the thumbnail. Now I'm writing down best singers. I'm changing the color. I can also choose the gradient option. For making the border, I'll have to select the stroke tab. I can also change the stroke color. So Once all of the positioning, color, setting are completed, my thumbnail is over. How does it look? Let me know. Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment. What kind of video do you want?
Fearless.